all this during the Second World War, the Pacific Wall and Atlantic Wall, and the other side is the North Sea. See all this, the machine gun, 60 caliber on the top, you can see them over here. So this is all bunkers. So this is the Atlantic Wall. You can see all the big bazooka over there on the top. See? And we have again here anti-aircraft. Here we go. There's another 60 caliber also over here. Alright, this is Rubber City. And then this is all the bunkers. See all the German bunkers. Here we go. And again, on the top. And the lighting also here. And see all the bazooka here on the top. AGS-17. Another bunker on the top. And then a big gun again on the top over here. And there's more. We're not even on the top over here. Okay. And this is the Pacific Wall from North Sea during the Second World War. Okay, once again, this is the beauty of the history of Belgium actually. So you can take out direct the wings. So you need blow torque, so you don't have this hairy stuff in the wings. It's not pleasant to eat chicken with hairy chicken. Huh? I don't like that. Well, as well, you guys also. We're gonna wash it again. Alright. Alright, once again I would like to cook something, a spring chicken. Now it's springtime in Belgium. Of course, the music of Ramsey Lewis is Spring High. So I hope that you can see the simple cooking. This Filipino chicken way. We cook it with tomatoes and paprika, of course, and lots of garlic on it. Hope you enjoyed simple cooking with Jazzman. Good morning in Belgium. Happy cooking. Oh yeah. Alright, that will be the ingredient now. I just washed the chicken, of course. It's very important to wash it. And okay, we're gonna start with garlic. Here we go. Lots of garlic. Onions, mixed paprika, tomato puree, it's about 100 grams, and 400 grams tomato chunk. We need some green peas, we need some carrots, potatoes. Here we go. Then we have also the, like I said, the chickpeas, the green peas over here, and we have the spring corn. Then we need some bay leaves. Peppercorn, salt and pepper, and smoked salt. And we have some Ajinomoto, of course. Then, of course, we need some chicken stock. All right, let's start baking the meat. Oh yeah. All right, that's the chicken already. After you blow torque, then we're gonna wash it, of course. Then use all the following ingredient: spring chicken with tomato sauce and lots of garlic. Here we go. Then we need the chicken, carrots and tomatoes. We have the green peas, lots of garlic, onions, tomato puree. We have some chicken stock. We have some mixed paprika, and of course the spring corn. And we have the chickpeas. And we have also here chunk tomatoes. You can optional add some liver spread if you like your sauce a bit creamy. We need some salt. We have some smoked herbs over here. Then we have some, what do you call this, peppercorn, bay leaf, optional if you want to use Ajinomoto. It's up to you. And if you like to add some fish sauce also, that will be fine, or you prepare salt in a chicken stock. Okay, let's start cooking. All right. Okay, we heat up the oil already. We need some soya oil. So we're gonna put the carrots. And we put the potatoes on the other side. Make sure you take them one by one. Why? Because under the pot you have some water, otherwise it's gonna splatter everywhere. So you have to take them one by one. You hear that, man? Put it up first. It's very important that not too dirty cooking, splashing everywhere. I don't like that. So we're gonna move them gently. This is how they call slow cooking, with smooth jazz, chill cooking, of course. Once again, summer madness. Yeah, like cooling again, summertime. Oh yeah, look at that. So we're gonna wait until they're gonna golden brown. Then we're gonna pan fry the garlic and onion, then the chicken, and then we're gonna add all the ingredients. It's really a summer cooking, summertime and springtime happy cooking. All right. We're gonna add the garlic now. Lots of garlic. Oh yeah. Onions. That's the minimum of it. Then we add the chicken. All the thick one first. I like the big chicken like this, so it doesn't stick it. Chicken breast, cut it into two. Don't cut them to small pieces, otherwise there's lots of small bones and it's not healthy. It's dangerous for your thyroid, otherwise you're gonna choke it when it's too sharp. Leave it like this, let it simmer. So it's gonna cook slowly and it's gonna give the fragrance on your chicken and it doesn't stick. Another legs over here. So we're gonna let it simmer, and then all the fat of the chicken, then it's gonna have more add on the reduction. So we keep on pan fry the chicken till golden brown. All right. See? So I turn them, slowly cooking. They're a bit more golden brown now. So we're gonna produce more fat. And your fire not too strong, otherwise you're gonna burn the onion. It doesn't give good fragrance. It's very important. cooking with smooth jazz, it's all about chilling. It's all about happy cooking. Don't rush it. Look at that. Alright. And add a few peppercorn, of course. A few bay leaves, 2, 3, that will be okay. There we go, almost summertime. Sand Goddess by, once again, Ramsey Lewis. Oh yeah. This original title, and also by the Earth, Wind and Fire. Sand Goddess on a buckle background. Oh yeah. All right. What do you want more? See, you have now the impurity of your sauce, the taste of the broth. It's over there. And we're gonna add some smoked seasoning. That's salt and herbs. They're here. This kind of cooking, well, it's better you add already a little bit of seasoning on it. Put the peppercorn, of course. And a little bit of normal pepper, so you have a tasty chicken. Very important. Well, some people, they add some boiled chicken or sausage, smoked sausages. It's on your own creation, it's freestyle. Just a chicken with tomatoes. Springtime chicken. Here we go. Look at that. We're going to add some tomatoes already. Just 100 grams tomato. You just don't put tomatoes in the middle, otherwise you're going to burn your tomatoes. They're like this. We're gonna put tomato chunk. So I have some chicken stock here. Just try to skim it. Alright. Add it like this. Look at that. Oh yeah. So add the fat. Here we go. the chicken stock, very important. Like this. Make sure that you cover your chicken. We're gonna let it simmer for a while. Oh yeah. Alright, so we're gonna let it simmer for a while. We're gonna add the chicken stock. Same, cut it in small pieces. Cover it. That's about it. Alright, that's about it. Then we're gonna add the spring baby maize. So they're gonna give flavor, of course. Paprikas. Right. So we're gonna let it simmer again, and we're gonna taste it. We're gonna check it. Now we're gonna add the liver spread. And we can add also the potatoes now. So you get lots of fat on the top. Alright. Alright, chickpeas got on. Here we go. Alright, that's what we need. We're just gonna let it simmer. The last one, we're gonna add the creamy liver spread and also the green peas. All right. Keep on listening to the smooth jazz by Bernie the Jazzman. Oh yeah. Then we're gonna peel the eggs. Then we're gonna add the eggs also. That's only optional. You can add sausage, eggs, or liver spread, or smoked bacon, pancetta, or whatever you want, so you have a special smoky taste, or iberico ham. Doesn't matter. It's a freestyle. It's a spring chicken. All right. We're gonna check it out. There we go. All right. Then we're gonna add the green peas, of course. Add the top. All right. The eggs on it. Oh yeah. What do you want more? So cool and so chill. Oh yeah. Okay. I hope you enjoyed again this spring chicken by Jazzman. You know, it's you can always do something different, but this time I choose like this. So if you want to have lunch or dinner for tonight, so you are ready. Okay, once again, this is Bernie the Jazzman. I hope you enjoyed. Happy cooking. Love you all a lot. Mabuhay. Peace.